In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filters in Todoist. Filters are a powerful tool in Todoist that enable you to quickly view only the tasks you need, like today's important tasks or just your work-related ones, without feeling overwhelmed by everything else. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up. First, open up your Todoist app or navigate to the Todoist website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of options there, such as your inbox, today's view, projects, and more. What we're really interested in is the section labeled Filters and Labels. Click on this option, which will open up a new section dedicated exclusively to managing your filters and labels. Once you've navigated to the Filters and Labels area, you'll notice a plus sign prominently displayed. The plus sign is your gateway for creating new filters and labels, so go ahead and give it a click. This will bring up a window where you can customize your new filter. Next, it's time to assign a name to your new filter. This is crucial because a good descriptive name will make it easier for you to quickly identify this filter when scanning through your list. Enter a name that clearly represents what this filter will be sorting for, whether it's today's priorities, work tasks, or whatever suits your needs. After naming your filter, you'll see a space to type in a highlight. This part is optional, but it can be a great way to emphasize your filter with a color or icon, making it even more distinguishable. Simply choose a highlight option that corresponds well with the purpose of your filter. Moving forward, you'll need to build a query. A query helps Todoist understand exactly what tasks should be included under this filter. Todoist's query language is pretty straightforward. For instance, if you want a filter that shows tasks due today, you might use a query like today. Spend a moment crafting a query that captures the specific tasks you want to see. As you formulate your filter, you also have the option to change its color. This is yet another visual aid that assists in quickly identifying the filter among many others. Choose a color that resonates with the name or purpose of the filter. Additionally, consider adding your newly created filter to your favorites. This makes it readily accessible right from your main Todoist dashboard, saving you time and effort when jumping between filters. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've set, the final step is to click Add. This action will save your filter, making it active and ready for use. Remember, filters are an excellent way to streamline your task management and ensure you're focused only on what matters most. Give your new filter a trial run by clicking on it and seeing just how much it simplifies your task list management. Happy filtering!